Hello. It's been a little while since my last update. We've been waiting for town and county permission, which has taken a little bit longer than we anticipated, but we're almost there. So we haven't been doing too much here at the moment. The grass has been growing, as you can see, but need to get some goats in here. But we have been doing one thing since we took down the carpenter's workshop and salvage what wood we could, is preparing a protective fence. And so what we've got here are iron bars about 130 centimeters long in the ground, and these go up along the property about 50 meters to protect where the new building will be. And these we've concreted in, so we've dug down about 40 centimeters with a kind of a small hole which we've backfilled with concrete, and over the top put another concrete cap on it to make sure that it's really stable, and they are. Run the cables through, and then we'll put in just a strong chain link that will catch any debris that comes down from the neighbours' cliffs and fields there, because they've got a lot of animals in there, goats that love to climb, and then of course they dislodge rocks and things that come bouncing down, which ideally you don't want to have land on your house or come through the door. So yeah, that's that basically. That took us a day or two to get that in place, and we've got to finish it off, of course, which is going to be a little bit more work. And yeah, we've got some things planted. We've planted a few trees on the slope face already, just because, you know, it's nice to have something growing there, and it's not just whatever appears. Some hazelnut, which is anyway a native tree, and we've got a few of those, some wild hazels, but we put in some that will give us some nice nuts. A rhododendron on the very steep parts up there, just to add some colour. Yeah, it's that. It's a project that alone, trying to work a way up here and create pathways is a challenge. It's so steep, and now with the grass growing so high, it's getting incredibly slippery. So yeah, but this is all about securing the bank and making sure that it's safe. You know, we're not going to have anything coming down there, and with trees like hazel, small trees, they really do hold the slope together. So that's the plan. Other than that, I've just been out with the chainsaw, taking care of some trees. Oh, I don't know if you can see. Oh, this is, yeah, you've got to see this. I don't know if you can though. Maybe I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? Yeah, not really. You can see in the middle of the image now, there's like a pine tree in the background, a high one, and below that there's what I think is an ash. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but there's a green one below it, and kind of like right in the middle of that tree is a tree laying in it, like horizontal, flat in there. Anyway, I've been trying to get that out this morning because it's like you know, a dead man's tree. The next storm it will probably fall out, and there's no danger it will hit anything because it's just trees and scrubs and stuff up there, but I thought I'd try and get it out if I could. No chance. It's like perfectly balanced and perfectly stuck. Great. Well, that's we'll see. I'll let you know if it comes down. But I thought, instead of playing around with it and ending up with a tree on my head, I'll let the weather take care of it, and if it doesn't, I'll get some ropes in it and then maybe put it down. Yeah, but we've got May. It's coming to a close, end of May now, and the plan is the beginning of June we'll be able to clear up here and start laying the foundations for the new building, which will be very exciting. Yeah, so see you then.